Makes you 2 steps down here, yeah, on the marina, watching a boat being lifted. Look at it. This is a forklift. Oh, people, what a treat! Look at this. This one's going up to dry dock. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, it's fantastic. You never see this every day. Whoa. Look at that. That is so good. Here he goes, going back now. There he is, turning around. Fabulous. Here he goes. This is makes a 2-step down the dry stack, then turn Chapel Marina. Please like and subscribe, and thank you to all my subscribers.